This is Jasper, a re-implementation of the Canon Cat document environment. And this is the entire interface. It's one long text stream. There is no file hierarchy or file names in this environment. You do have document separators. They're just special characters like return or space. And there's also no mouse. You have a few methods of navigation, most notably the leap keys. On the Canon Cat, it had bespoke hardware. It had these leap keys below the space bar. You would press and hold one leap key and type a pattern to jump to the nearest instance of that sequence of characters. And the left leap key would go backwards and the right leap key would go forwards. If you pressed it again after leaping, you would continue to leap through the environment, searching on that pattern. So in my environment, I could leap to cat, and I could press leap again to keep going through. You'll notice that it matches case insensitively, but if I leap to capital C cat, then it'll match case sensitively. This was a smart design decision in the original, and I've enjoyed having it in Jasper. You can also leap to special characters. In Jasper, a backtick takes the place of cat's document separator character. So I can leap to backtick, and if I can leap to the beginning or end of a document this way, and if I hit leap again, I can leap through all the documents in my environment. So in this way, keyboard shortcuts are not a special case. They are byproducts of the system's fundamental operation. As such, you can create your own keyboard shortcuts just by how you structure and type text in your stream. So you end up with all of these personal conventions that let you use leap navigation more effectively, like consistent date and timestamps, systems for tagging or using special characters. It becomes a system of your own design. Users design and implement it with conventions that work well for them over time. So I can leap forward. When I start at the top of my document, I could leap backward because there's circular search to to do, which will take me to my most recent to-do list since I usually work from the bottom of the document. I also use for people's names, so I can find something by a particular author or jump to some meeting notes with a friend. And that's why I was most curious to remake this user environment. I wanted to see how users experience the inclination to design and evolve personal conventions over time. I think that's one of the aspects that makes the Cat so interesting. It's a unique form of personal software. I'll keep living in Jasper for the time being to see what insights only come from serious long-term use.